Beep, 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 beep. Uh-oh. It looks like, Mr. Slime, there's gonna be some stuff wrong with your body. And it looks like we need to dig through your stomach and find different things that's wrong with your body. Hello, this is She Explores Everything. Now, today we are going to be digging to see what stuff is wrong with Mr. Slime's body. Let's start. So, oh, look, there's an eraser, but let's check out what it is. It looks like it's a cow. Let's try and get as much stuff, well, as much of the slime off as we can. Which means there's only one more thing, because I remember I hid 2 things in Mr. Slime's body. Let's try and find the other one. Oh, here it is. It looks like it's, what is this? A bunny person? Oh, now I remember what it is. It's like there's 2 pieces. There's 2 other pieces, 1 hat, and 1 like outfit thing. And it's the Easter Bunny. Now I get it. So, looks like we've got both stuff off. Mr. Slime, it looks like you're all fine right now. Well, I think next time it's either gonna be stomach problems or something else, like basic needs. Bye. This has been She Explores Everything with Dr. Poodles. Make sure to subscribe. Bye.